What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have Peak Designs compression packing cube, and this is their small one right here. There's two sizes. There's a small and a large. You can fit up to, what does it say? It doesn't really say, but it's 7 liters in capacity. So very nice material. You got a little Peak Design thing right here. You got nice YKK zippers, I believe. Let's go ahead and remove this. And it goes up to there. This opens, and then let's uncompress this bad boy. This thing just kind of zips all the way around, and you have a nice kind of like mesh material looking there. And you can put a bunch of stuff in here, clothes, whatever, and compress it really down. Let me go grab some shirts and show you guys how well this thing compresses. So I got a couple shirts and shorts, so I'm just gonna go ahead and lay that shirt down like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do 5 shirts and a pair of shorts. You can maybe fit one more short in here. 5 shirts and I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll try it. And 2 shorts. Basically close it down. Zippers are very nice and easy, and then you just grab this and start kind of compressing down this bad boy. I don't know if this is gonna work. I might have too much stuff in here. Actually, it's doing its thing. What is it, 6 shirts? Obviously, I'm packing this up to the gills. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. What? Houston, we got a problem. So let's remove a pair of shorts here. So now we got 6 shirts and 1 pair of shorts. That last short probably wasn't cutting it. And actually, the last pair of shorts was the one who was giving us all these issues. And voila, look at that bad boy. 6 shirts and a pair of shorts in here. And if I really wanted to, I can probably squeeze in a thinner pair of shorts. This one's just way too thick. It's also perfect if you have a rich backpack and you're just gonna go for a day trip. And look at that, this thing fits perfect in the rich backpack. It does have this divider right here. You can just pack this bad boy to the gills. 3 shirts, 2 shorts. This has 6 shirts and a pair of shorts right there, but you can put easily 2 shirts, 2 shorts, 2 underwear, and 2 pairs of socks, and then put it in the backpack, put that bad boy away, and go ahead and put it on your rich backpack. Close that, and if you need, you won't even know it's there, because when you open it this way, look at that. It's just the compartment there and everything you need right here. You can grab, bam. Absolutely love this backpack. So peak design and rich backpack packing cube goes hand in hand. Peace. Link to this will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself. You cannot go wrong with this. Absolutely fantastic peak design packing cube. Bam, look at that. Absolutely looks and feels fantastic. Link to this backpack will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one up yourself as well. So let's recap what we put in here. Pair of shorts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shirts and a pair of shorts. Basically, 5 shirts for the week. It's absolutely fantastic. You cannot go wrong with that. But there you have it, guys. This is the Peak Design Compression Packing Cube. The small one. Very, very nice. Look at the 6 shirts and a pair of shorts in there. You have a handle there if you want to go ahead. The zippers are nicely smooth as hell, and if you want to open it, boom, you can open it like that. Close it back up. It closes very nice. Compresses very good. Boom. Absolutely fantastic. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.